Hi there, students. That's a turn up for the book. That's a turn up for the books. Or as the Americans would say, that's one for the books. Okay, if you say something is a turn up for the book, you're saying it's a pleasant surprise. It's a surprising or unexpected event. Well, that's a turn up for the book. He paid me back the money he owed. Yeah, he doesn't normally pay me back, so that's a real turn up for the book. I never thought my team was going to win, but they did, and that's a turn up for the book. Yeah, that's a turn up for the books. That's a really good thing that's happened. It's surprising, and it turned out okay. Yeah, so it's a real turn up for the book. That I won the race. I never thought I'd win it. Yeah. Well, that's a turn up for the book. He turned up to the party and he wasn't drunk. Yeah, it's a bit of a turn up for the books. Um, okay, so this is something that's unexpected. You're not expecting it to happen, and it's a pleasant surprise. Um, so they gave me a lovely present. It was a real turn up for the book. I didn't even expect a present. Yeah. Um, okay, so a turn up for the book, something that you don't expect. Notice the Americans say that's one for the book. I guess something that you write down, a turn up, a surprise in this case, something turns up, it appears all of a sudden. Yeah, so that's a turn up for the book. He actually came to the party. So, formality. This I'm going to give a 4 in formality. Definitely use it informally, use it semi-formal conversation. You could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but no more. And then as to origin, well, I guess a turn up, something that turns up, it appears by accident. Or one, I think something to write down. You have something that you want to write down in your book, maybe when you write your biography. That may be the book, I don't know. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. That's a real turn up for the book.